At Tokyo Station, the red and the blue floor markings, they're intended to improve flow. These yellow bricks, they have nothing to do with flow, they have something to do with safety. This is a much smaller station, Sendagaya station, and here we see also floor markings to improve flow. Obviously, right now it's very quiet. There's hardly anybody here with me, but during rush hour it can get quite crowded. So this is also a Tokyo station. You can follow these red floor markings to the Narita Express, the train that goes to the airport. Notice you also see which wagon number it leads to. So, and here we also see the green floor markings that lead to a green car, green wagon. And that has to do with the fact, by the way, this green wagon, that is, let's say, their first class. But this has to do with the fact that these seats are often reserved. So you have to know which wagon you are supposed to be in. And these help you to get there.